Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. Today we are going to solve a few questions on differential equation. The question is, if a complete integral of the PDE partial differential equation x into p square plus q square is equal to zp passes through the curve x is equal to 0, z square is equal to 4y, then the envelope of this family passing through x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 has option A z equal to -2, option B z equal to 2, option C z is equal to root 2 plus root 2, and option D z is equal to minus root 2 plus root 2. Now, if the given partial differential equation is of the form fxyz pq is equal to 0, then Charpit's auxiliary equations are dx by minus del f del p is equal to dy by minus del f del q is equal to dz by minus p del f del p minus q del f del q is equal to dp by del f del x plus p del f del z is equal to dq by del f del y plus q del f del z. Now, for f is equal to p square x plus q square x minus zp, we have dx by minus 2px plus z is equal to dy by minus 2qx is equal to dz by minus p del f del p minus q del f del q is equal to dp by q square is equal to dq by minus pq. Now from the last two equations we get p square plus q square is equal to c square, and on putting this in the main equation yields xc square by z is equal to p. Then the equation p dx plus q dy is equal to dz implies c square x by z dx plus root over c square minus c to the power 4x square by z square dy is equal to dz. I don't have any space at the bottom, so I would be writing at the top. Which implies that z dz minus c squared x dx is equal to c into root over z square minus c square x square dy. Thus, the complete integral is z square minus c square x square is equal to cy plus d whole square. Now on taking the C discriminant and equating it equal to 0, we get x square plus 2yd whole square plus 4 into d square minus z square into y square is equal to 0. Further, the conditions x is equal to 0 and z square is equal to 4y imply 0, 1, 2. Now choose any point on the curve. Imply 0, 1, 2 lies on the curve, which means d is equal to 1 by root 2. Now substituting this d in the equation to get the required values of z after putting x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, we get option C and option D to be the correct options. Therefore, C and D give us the correct option.